Dude, those are nice.
We're getting ready to install some Brixton RF10 wheels, as you see here on a Tesla Model S. One thing I like about this is how the spokes are super thin. A lot of the entry-level, mid-level wheels typically have thicker spokes, and the forged wheels are the ones that typically have thinner spokes because they're stronger.
Oh look, I'm blowing him away. Supposed to react.
A few moments later.
Brand new Brixton RF10 wheels on this Tesla Model S. Really love how this came out. 21-inch front and rear staggered in satin black. The Tesla has really clean, smooth body lines, so it needs a busier, more detailed wheel to kind of break that up. And the RF10 really does that since it is like a mesh multi-spoke design. I honestly think that if the client picked a much simpler wheel, like a 5-spoke split wheel, it wouldn't have the same effect like it does now. So it's pretty much flush with the car, which is nice. We do have a few of these sets left in stock, so if you want a set, hit us up.